back in Britain. After all the complications, the worry and fear, 83 UK nationals touched down at RAF Brize Norton. At last, they're out of China and away from the epicentre of the deadly coronavirus. Amongst those on board was James Convey. He and his wife were stranded in the lockdown city of Wuhan, running out of supplies. He shared his journey with Sky News. From the deserted airport in Wuhan to the moment he landed back on British soil. And it's been an anguishing wait for the families of these British nationals. James's father was overwhelmed to see his son return home. This was the first time they spoke.
So, where are you now? You're still on the plane by the look of it, are you?
No, we're just on the bus.
Oh, you're on the bus, are you?
Yeah.
OK, so you're ready to move up to the Wirral soon?
We're just starting to move now.
Ah, right, OK. And how long is it going to take, do you know?
About 4 hours, I think.
OK. Well, I hope that part of the trip goes well. How are you feeling?
We're just both quite tired. You know, it's been a long journey.
But their ordeal doesn't stop here. A 180-mile coach journey north to Merseyside. Medical staff dressed in full protection whilst they head to NHS accommodation on the Wirral. It was only on Thursday night the Health Secretary called a local MP who says this is the ideal facility.
I think there were a number of factors. One, that it's not in a city centre or in the centre of a town. The second is that the accommodation is separate to the hospital. And then, of course, in this part of the northwest, we have particular expertise. So we've got the Royal Hospital in Liverpool's very strong on viral, treatments and so forth, should that be necessary, which hopefully it won't be. And also there's the School of Tropical Medicine in Liverpool. So there's a lot of expertise locally.
There were meant to be more than 83 passengers on board the 11-hour flight back to the UK, but dozens are still stuck in China.
All the group chats that I'm on WhatsApp, Facebook, all begging me to come home. Everybody, especially my mum and my nan. It's disgraceful. It's just, there's been no help at all. It's just been dribs and drabs of information more than anything. And then when you ask them questions on the information they give you, they can't really elaborate on what they've told you.
This was a complicated operation, and the British government may schedule another repatriation flight to bring back those left behind. But here, for the next 2 weeks, whilst 83 people aren't in their homes, they will be relieved to be back home in the UK.